Cancer, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page has been a blessing to you, your word of the day is wisdom. Right now, you have a lot going on your plate. You are checking all the boxes, dotting your I's, crossing your T's. You've made the timeline. You're meeting your deadlines. You even have a timeline ahead of where you know that you're going to meet certain marks. You have goals. But right now, I want you to, with the wisdom card, work smart, not hard. Just because you are worn out at the end of the day and exhausted does not mean you efficiently put in the maximum effort in day's work that is going to benefit you. Sometimes where you can figure out certain shortcuts or certain tactics that can make your life much easier, it only takes a second to think, what's the best way to do this? And it's going to benefit you so much, so way better. Just because you work every day does not mean you have to be tired. Do not sacrifice your energy just because of your service. Fall in love with your purpose. To fall in love, find your purpose, you fall in love with your service. And that nothing says that you have to be exhausted along the way. God has a plan for you. I live here and now knowing beauty is to come. I don't force things to happen faster than the universe has decided for me. The right place, right timing, you're there right now. You can't miss your blessings even if you really tried, because you came too far right now that you have to see your blessings all the way through. We didn't go through all that work for no reason. I learned from my experiences. Take small steps in faith and succeed. Thanks to all my efforts and my consistency, which is key. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.